Hello everybody, welcome to my crochet nook, or should I just call it nookery, because obviously I do knitting and crocheting. My name's Linda. My channel's all about crocheting, knitting and having fun. I do 3 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and then I go live at 5 p.m. British summertime, and which is 12 noon Eastern or 11 Central. I am here today to share with you my socks for the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022, which Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits and I have challenged each other to make a pair of socks every month for this year. We've had a really good response, guys, and I can't thank you enough. This month, however, I made 2 pairs of socks. Yes, guys, you got it right. 2 pairs of socks. Amongst everything else that I've been doing this month, I got 2 pairs of socks done. So I used yarn that was dyed by Daniel from Paula Yarns, and I purchased them from Angela from My Precious Yarnery, who lives in Canada and sells Daniel's yarn, which is great. So I did these are Rick socks, and this is sock yarn that I've had in my stash. I don't know, there was no label with it, and the sock yarn is called Exploding Gnome. Now if you follow my channel, you know that my Rick absolutely loves gnomes. So when Daniel did the Exploding Gnome yarn, I just had to get it. So I've made him a pair of socks, and I made myself a pair of socks as well. Can you see the size of my foot? I only take a size 3 shoe, guys. I got little dinky feet. So yeah, I've used the vanilla sock pattern, and I think that is my favourite. I don't need to watch anything or, you know, kind of follow anybody. I just do it now. I just get my circular needle, but I do them on circular needles. I must admit, when I do the heel turn, I use my DPNs, and I use my DPNs for the toe as well. And I'm really proud of myself. I think these are I did a pair last year. I've done January, February, last year, January, February, I've done 2. So this was my 5th pair of knitted socks, and I think I have got the pattern all locked away in my brain. So yeah, so they're my socks. I'm really pleased with them. Rick loves them, and yeah, even though it's called, I had 2 skeins, so I use 1 skein for my socks and 1 skein for Rick's socks, but you can see the difference in the colours. Rick's has got purples in and mine haven't. So yeah, I'm really pleased with them. At the end, after I finish waffling on, as I usually do, I have been blown away this month by the number of content creators that have taken part, and I will put the links to their channels below. Please, guys, think about joining their channels, sharing the Yarny Fibre love, which we all do, and that hook needs to go in there. sharing the yarny fibre love. So I just want to say thank you to the following content creators. There's Amy Knits 39, thank you Amy. Ingrid from Ingrid's Inspirations. Melissa, oh I can't remember, oh I've not put her channel down. Melissa's crochet spot, I think it's called. Thank you Melissa. Spring, the wonderful Spring, who dyes her own yarn and spins it, and that she made socks using her own yarn. So thank you Spring. Paula Daniels, she crocheted her socks, which is amazing, thank you. We've got Lorraine from Jackeline Makes, thank you Lorraine. And of course we've got Mimi Cat Do, and thank you Mimi, your socks are wonderful. And then we've got Michael, thank you Michael, he shared his crocheted socks. So again guys, if you would like to take part in this hashtag Sock It To Me challenge 2022, please think about joining my channel, my channel, but also joining my Facebook group and share your socks with us for April. I think it will eke off as the summer months start to arrive, and whether you make socks with knitting, whether you crochet them, whether you use your loom or your Centro or Addy machines, you're all welcome to join in. And at the end of the last Thursday in the month, I make a video sharing what I've made and sharing in a slideshow at the end of this video everybody's socks. So thank you all so much for your support in this. It means such a lot to me and to Kim too, and I'm just so very grateful that you take the time to share with me. I think that is all from me for today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon twice, so every time I upload a video you will get notifications. Take care, stay safe, have a fabulous weekend, but more importantly, as I always say guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.